Hey guys, welcome to my channel Straight from D Stars, and this video will be from Ashapura, okay? And I don't have, like, to be honest, like, I will be very honest with you guys. I don't have much knowledge about her, to be honest. I know Shakti Peet, okay, yes, I know that, but Ma Ashapura, it's not like I have very in-depth knowledge about her, but something about I was getting like I need to put a video out there, like I'm channeling something about a yellow dress could be significant to you. I'm seeing a baby girl or a girl child who is wearing a yellow frock, okay, and is walking in the garden. I don't know why I'm getting that. Maybe you see yourself as that, or maybe you have a girl child, or maybe you are expecting a girl child, or if it has nothing to do with a girl child, it has to do with renewed hope. It has to do with spring coming into your life, no matter in whatever season you are currently. But I'm talking about your life, that spring is coming. Or maybe Ma Ashapura is entering your life. I don't know. If you are somebody watching me here who worship Ma Ashapura, okay, or Ma Shakambari, I don't know. Like I know, like she's called both by both names. If I'm wrong, I'm so sorry. But something about she is entering your life. For some of you, this video is a confirmation sign, specifically if you are a master number 33. If you are, doesn't have to be, but if you are a master number 33, then it definitely telling me that Ma Ashapura is now entering your life in some shape or form. Uh, Maybe you are already getting the sign and synchronicity, doesn't have to be, but Ashapura means like your wish is getting fulfilled, or you are being told to be hopeful about something you have in your mind. If you were losing hope, then this video is here to tell you, like, don't lose hope. There is still something more about this story, something like that, okay? Yellow color is very significant. All in my vision, if I could see anything, is the green grass and the yellow color. That's it. So something about the spring is very significant. And I will be and a diamond shape. Diamond shape means like this. Okay. I don't have a face. Oh, maybe it's about your face cut. Like, because I suddenly saw myself in camera and started drawing that diamond shape. Maybe your face is like a diamond shape or something, or maybe like an oval, like something like that. Take it as a confirmation sign. Um, Something about not stopping. Something about Matarani is telling you, Ma Ashapura is telling you, like, keep going ahead. Even if you are feeling like there is no way, but still just not stop. I don't know how it is resonating with you. Um, yes, see, split the deck, and I already channeled the, like, keep going ahead, and it is like you are on the road to success, mountain road. Yes, exactly. Let's say you are here, then you are not seeing the path ahead, but there is something like keep going ahead. And I have seen the marriage also. Maybe it's about your marriage, and you are not, maybe you are trying to take a step towards marriage, or trying to give somebody a commitment or something, so you are being told go ahead, okay? You can watch my Shanidev video also, like it's on the other channel. I will link it below, but it will be in Hindi language. I am like channeling to give you that message here, but we will see from some tarot cards. Victory. Victory is here with the Chariot and Six of Wands, okay? So something about move ahead, okay? Move ahead, charge ahead, or take that action. Something about if you are planning to do something and you are feeling like there is a, yes, you are very much in the head about it, like there is a mountain you have to, like, climb from here and go from there, then you will go get something. But still Matarani is telling you, you will get it. you will get it no matter what, because this video is very channel, let me tell you. Okay, I haven't even visited to a Ma Ashapura temple, let me tell you, but I was channeling like she's telling me to give you some kind of message, and I am seeing like you are worried about something with the nine of swords. Maybe day and night you are thinking about one thing and you are just not making or taking a step ahead. Some of you, I am seeing you are not physically fit. Sorry for that. I'm so sorry for that. Wishing you the fastest recovery, guys. But I'm saying, if even if you are not physically well, I don't know why I'm seeing a leg injury. Maybe your leg is injured, or I'm sorry, but I'm getting little like a severe injury. I'm seeing, not like uh, maybe you are in the hospital on the bed, like on the hospital bed. I am sorry, I'm so sorry, but still you are being told to move ahead. I don't know what is this. It can be with that marriage card. It's like you are thinking my health is now bad, so nobody will marry me, or you are judging yourself only, like nobody is telling you like nobody will marry you. Oh my god, no. You are only telling yourself, then my is telling you stop that. Stop that. Maybe from your looks, or from your job, from your marital of sorry, from your material status, whatever, like if you are thinking that you are not good enough for marriage, or you are not good enough for something, you are being told nothing is like that. You just need to charge forward. Yes, see this, I'm not even kidding. I have taken this card, and in the bottom you have four of wands and knight of cups. Trust me, I haven't seen this. You are being told to move or offer. I'm not saying this is coming towards you. I don't know what. See, it can be take it how it resonates with you, but what I'm getting in my head is you need to go toward this. You need to go and make your own happiness, create your own happiness. Even if you are in the see, again and again I'm holding it in reverse, so it's in your hand. Hold it like this or like this. In this reverse, you are free from this tension and all, and finally making the move, charging forward towards your happiness. And if it like this, like you are still in a stuck mode somewhere, Ma Ashapura is telling you, she this is a wish fulfillment card specifically for marriage or twin flame related thing, yeah, or maybe some kind of celebration. Even if it's your career also, something about you are good enough. Knight of Cups is not a kind of person who will get rejected if he offers something. Like, take it how it resonates with you. Knight of Cups is cherished. Whenever he offers someone or somebody something or love or opportunity, he succeeds in that. He never fails in that, because he is charming enough. No matter if your health, if your physical beauty, material status, whatever it is, I don't know. No matter whatever you are currently going on, even if you are saying the complete block, even if you are saying maybe that's not right for me to do, so I am not good enough, or maybe I have made many mistakes in the past, now there is no way I can make it right, there is no way I can reconcile with someone or something like that. No, Ma Ashapura is telling you, see the spring here and the celebration. I have channeled that, like whatever is in your head with this card. Okay, you just need to move ahead. Even if it's marriage, career, finance, whatever it is, just go forward and achieve it. And just because her name is Ashapura, trust me, your Asha, your wish, your hopeful, whatever you are hopeful for will come true. Take that move ahead. Take that move ahead. I don't know, like specifically I'm saying, you are being told, if you are liking a person, or if you want to offer a marriage proposal to somebody, and if you want to offer the commitment to somebody, I don't know, like Ma Ashapura is telling you, go for it, you will get the acceptance. Okay, because like if you are already in the head about it, you are already thinking like if this person will be right for me, if I should reunite or reconcile, or if I should propose this person, go for it. if it's a marriage proposal, go for it.